All right, guys, we're gonna go interview Tony today. Hey guys, we're back today with 3 quick questions. We got Tony here. Tony, can you let them know what you got going on here today?
We hide guns.
Oh, okay.
Everything we make hides guns.
Wow. How long have you been doing it for?
16 years.
Wow. And what would be your favorite part about it?
Keeping kids safe.
Okay. And where can they find you on social media if they want to, contact you?
Our website's csi-hide.com,
Okay.
and that'll lead you to the social media.
Okay, cool. Hey, Tony, thanks for being on the show.
No problem.
Yeah, it's real easy. We just ask people 3 quick questions. So I'm going to film it and see everything down here. It's pretty cool, man.
Okay. Yeah, everything we make hides guns or something.
Wow. Oh, wow.
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 Skeletons in the closet.
Yeah, wow.
I love it.
That's crazy.
Wow.
Most of everything we make locks. Like this is my favorite. That's locked.
Wow.
And all these work like that. You take the key off, that's locked.
That's really cool.
This is the key for this one.
Wow.
They all hold a 1911. These shelves locked. These shelves locked.
Wow.
These picture frames locked.
Wow, the picture frames on.
Wow. Clever.
Wow, it's great.
Love
Awesome,
it.
man.
This is another door we make.
Wow.
And we can swing that in or out.
Wow. Wow. You're so clever.